For most of us, getting into debt is a nightmare. But for the rich, it's a secret weapon.
Yeah, they figured out how to turn a trap into a tool for building massive wealth.
So how exactly do they pull this off? Let's get into their playbook.
First, we'll look at the two worlds of debt, then dive into the asset-backed playbook.
Okay, so for most people, any loan payment comes from money that's already been taxed.
And that debt is usually tied to your job and buys stuff that just loses value.
And this is where you see the two worlds clash. It's totally different for the wealthy.
It's a complete mindset shift. It's not about needing money, it's about leveraging assets.
Now, get this. The rich take out loans they never actually intend to pay back.
So how is that even possible? Well, it's all in their three-step asset-backed playbook. Step 1, it all starts with owning assets that banks love, things that grow in value.
Step 2, they borrow a small fraction of what they own, which makes them super low risk. And step 3, they just pay the interest. This keeps their own cash free.
Okay, let's walk through an example. Say you have assets worth $50 million.
You borrow $10 million against it, and since it's a loan, that $10 million is tax-free cash.
See? That's a 20% loan-to-value ratio. To a private bank, you're golden.
So all you have to pay each year is the interest. Let's say $300,000.
But wait, that loan is due in 10 years. What happens then? This is the crazy part.
They don't sell their assets. They just refinance or get an even bigger loan.
Okay, but what about the end game? This is where it gets really wild. It happens at death.
There's this amazing tax rule called stepped-up basis. It basically erases all the capital gains. So their kids inherit the assets, can sell some tax-free, and easily pay off the loan. The family keeps the rest of the fortune, and the whole cycle can just start over.
So what's the big takeaway? The system is all about owning assets, not earning a paycheck.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? Is debt a liability or is it leverage?